Hello dear viewers and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting on the workbench. This is the ACEBOTT Quadruped Bionic Spider Robot Kit. A huge shout out to ACEBOTT for collaborating with us on this build. Let's not waste any time and get right into the unboxing. The packaging is super premium and heavily focused on steam learning. Inside the box, everything is neatly organized. We get a very detailed manual which is super helpful, along with 8 servos. These servos are the muscles that will give our spider its lifelike, creepy, crawly movement. We also have a complete hardware pack with all the screws, nuts, and brass spacers you'll need. For the brains of the robot, ACEBOTT includes their custom spider shield and an ESP8266 microcontroller for Wi-Fi connectivity. Finally, we have the precision-cut acrylic body panels, a USB cable, a handy screwdriver, and ACEBOTT awesome stickers. Now, let's jump into the assembly. I'm starting by carefully peeling the protective film off the sleek black acrylic boards. Next, we secure the battery holder to the bottom plate and mount the spider shield onto the main chassis using the provided brass standoffs. Now comes the most important part, installing the servos. Since there are 8 of them, 2 for each leg, you really want to take your time here. You need to align the servo horns perfectly at 90 degrees before screwing them into the leg joints. While I am routing these cables neatly through the chassis so they do not get tangled in the legs, let me tell you how you can get your hands on one of these. If you want to build this amazing bionic spider yourself, you can head over to the ACEBOTT official website. I have put the direct purchase link in the description below. And the best part, you can use my special discount code at checkout to get an exclusive discount on your order. Make sure to grab it. Alright, back to the build. Our bionic spider is fully assembled and looking like an absolute beast. To bring it to life, we power it on. Program kit using Arduino IDE or ACE code. And finally, at last, connect smartphone to the spider's dedicated Wi-Fi network and open up the ACEBOTT app. The app interface is super clean. With just a few taps on the directional pad, we have complete control. The coordination between the 8 servos makes the walking movement incredibly smooth and surprisingly fast. It really mimics a real spider. But wait, check this out. It has built-in action features. Let us switch it to gym mode. Look at it go. It can actually do push-ups, dynamic stretches, and some crazy fast spin maneuvers. The pre-programmed action design on this board is absolutely brilliant and so much fun to play with. If you love this build, do not forget to check the link in the description and use my discount code. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome such videos. See you in the next one.